If you're experiencing payment errors with Lili Banking, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause payment errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's information and the amount. Any mistakes in these details can lead to errors during the transaction. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Lili Banking app. Outdated apps can have bugs that may cause payment errors. Visit your device's app store to check for updates. Step 4. Review account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Lili Banking's customer support. Provide them with details of the error and any steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors on Lili Banking efficiently. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.